Which portable label maker is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Nelco P21 Label Maker. First up is the Nelco Label Maker machine, the P21 Bluetooth model. Priced at $17.99, it caught my eye because it's super compact and lightweight. If you want a printer that fits right in your pocket for on-the-go labeling, this is worth a serious look. So why should you consider the Nelco P21? This little guy prints at 30 pages per minute, and with its 203 dpi thermal technology, you can expect clear, crisp labels without the hassle of ink or toner. Connecting via Bluetooth to your phone, it's easy to customize labels using the Nelco app, which has over 3,600 icons and 700 plus templates. Whether you're organizing your home, office, or school supplies, the P21 makes labeling a breeze. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It lets you create personalized labels for everything from your kids' school supplies to food storage, and that peace of mind is priceless. Now, some people complained about the app's compatibility issues with certain Android phones. Here's the thing though, if you're an iOS user or can work around that, it's not a deal breaker. This label maker is incredibly versatile and affordable. This is perfect for you if you need something compact and user-friendly for everyday labeling tasks. Skip this one if you require extensive features or work primarily on a computer. At just $17.99, the value is clear. Now, if the Nelco's app issues concern you, the next one might actually be better for your needs. Product number 2, Brother P-Touch PT-N10. Next up is the Brother P-Touch PT-N10, a handheld label maker priced at $24.99. I was drawn to its promise of creativity and ease of use. If you want a device that lets you express yourself while staying organized, this one is worth considering. The PT-N10 stands out with its intuitive QWERTY keyboard and vibrant color label tapes. It prints at 9 pages per minute, which may not be the fastest, but it allows you to create custom labels with various fonts and symbols. Think about this. If you're a student or someone who loves a little flair in your organization, you'll appreciate the 17 colorful tape options and the ability to print up to 2 lines of text. This makes it easy to personalize everything from notebooks to storage bins. Here's why this matters for you. It's a fun yet practical tool for adding personality to your labeling needs. Now, some reviews mention that the labels can be a bit pricey to replace. But honestly, if you're serious about your organization and creativity, it's a worthy investment. You'll get a lot of use out of it. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a fun, easy-to-use label maker for personal projects. Skip this one if you need something that prints very quickly. Considering the features, it's a solid buy at $24.99. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want more features. Product number 3, Famimo D30 Mini Label Maker. Now let's talk about the Famimo D30 Mini Label Maker priced at just $16.17. I was impressed by its compact size and the extensive range of templates available. If you want something affordable yet packed with features, this is worth a serious look. The D30 boasts a printing speed of 60 pages per minute, which is pretty impressive for a mini label maker. It connects via Bluetooth to your phone, making it super convenient. You can create labels with over 4,000 icons and 800 plus stylish borders for any occasion. This is a game changer if you're someone who likes to customize your labels for everything from organizing your pantry to labeling kids' toys. Here's why this matters for you. It saves you time and effort while allowing you to be creative. However, some users have pointed out that the label tapes can sometimes jam in the printer. Here's the thing though, if you take a little care in loading the tape, it shouldn't be a big issue. Plus, at this price, you're getting a lot of value. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly, feature-rich label maker for home or school projects. Skip this one if you need something for heavy-duty commercial use. The price makes it a steal at $16.17. Now, if the Famimo's potential jamming concerns you, the next option might be more reliable. Product number 4, Famimo D30 Label Maker. Next on the list is another Famimo D30, but this one is slightly different. Priced at $16.83, it caught my attention due to its variety of compatible label tapes. If you need something flexible for all types of labeling tasks, this could be for you. This D30 also features a Bluetooth connection and a printing speed of 40 pages per minute, fitting seamlessly into your mobile lifestyle. It supports a wider range of label styles, including round stickers and themed designs. This versatility means whether you're doing crafts, organizing your workspace, or labeling kitchen items, this label maker can handle it all. Here's why this matters for you. You can express your creativity while getting organized. Now, some reviews highlight that the app can be a bit complicated to navigate. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, you'll find it's packed with features that can make your labeling much more fun. This is perfect for you if you want a creative tool that supports diverse labeling needs. Skip this one if you prefer something more straightforward and easy to use. For $16.83, it's a good investment. Alright, that was a fun option. But the last one on my list brings a different twist that you might really like. Product number 5, Brother P-Touch PT N25BT. Finally, we have the Brother P-Touch PT N25BT priced at $29.99. I was intrigued by its Bluetooth capabilities and variety of personalization options. If you want a label maker that's connected and creative, this one's worth checking out. What's great about this model is that it allows for both battery and plug-in power, making it super flexible for on-the-go use. It features a QWERTY keyboard for easy typing, and you can print labels with different fonts and symbols. This is particularly useful if you're someone who needs to create labels quickly and efficiently, whether it's for organizing a home office or for school projects. Here's why this matters for you. It provides a smooth labeling experience without hassle. However, some users have found it a bit bulky compared to other portable models. But I'll be real with you, the functionality outweighs the size for most users looking for versatility. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable label maker with Bluetooth connectivity and creative options. Skip this one if compactness is your main concern. For $29.99, it packs a punch for the features it offers. To wrap it all up, we've looked at 5 fantastic portable label makers. The Nelco P21 Brother P-Touch PT N10, Famimo D30 Mini, Famimo D30 Label Maker, and Brother P-Touch PT N25BT. Each one has its unique strengths and weaknesses, so choose based on what fits your labeling needs best. Happy labeling!